Didn't expect to see you here. Since you're here, let me show you something cool. What's up, guys? I just wanted to put together a quick video, not too much editing, just kind of run you through how I made working plumbing in my 2007 Chevy 2500 Express van. I'm converting this into a livable camping adventure van. Most of the interior done. I have lights, I have plumbing, I have the electrical done. I need to put in my roof vent, which I have. But today we're really just focusing on the plumbing side of things. Hopefully you guys can watch this video and learn a couple things, or maybe answer a few questions that you had in the back of your mind when you're going to do the plumbing in your van. We're gonna get right into it, and I hope it helps. Alright, first off, we're going to start at my switch panel. Right here is the switch that says water pressure. I have wires run from that to a water pump I have mounted under here. It's a 4 gallon per minute. Right there. That actually turns on and shuts off when you switch the faucet on, which is a really nice feature, so you don't have to worry about pressure being pushed all the time or leaving it on by accident. We'll get into that in a minute. But all it is a 12-volt system. So power to the switch panel, which goes from the switch panel to the pump. The pump, this is the intake side, sucks water from this 7 gallon tank that I got on Amazon. I just have a flexible 1/2 inch rubber line going to a hard line and then tying into the pump. Then the outlet side of the pump here goes around to this T, so I have water pressure going to both sides of the mixing valve. It's obviously not, I don't have hot or cold water, it's just whatever temperature this is running at. I then drilled a hole in the side of the van so my water can drain out into this. So I ordered one of these little camper doors for electrical or water. Now I can pull my hose out, let it aim right in there. I will get some insulation around that hose so it's not such a big hole, but it's a great system so far. Everything you see here between the sink, the faucet, the hoses, the drain, the tank, wiring, switch panel, it's all from either Amazon or Home Depot. There was a couple specific things that I couldn't find at Home Depot that I'd order on Amazon or vice versa, but pretty much this entire van is built from Amazon and Home Depot parts. It's not the highest of quality, but like the sink I think is a beautiful sink. That was off Amazon with a black faucet. Actually they were separate, but it was like a deal. This drain hose I got at Home Depot. It's just a flexible universal drain hose. Some of the fittings I got at Home Depot. The pump I got on Amazon, and the tank I got on Amazon. Now let me run you through how it works. So first, flick the switch on for the pump. You heard it turn on for just a second, and then it shut back off. That was just it pushing the water up to the valve. And the valve being closed makes the pump shut off because it feels the pressure. There's a pressure switch in there, so when it feels the pressure, it shuts the pump down. But when you turn it on and you relieve the pressure, the pump kicks right on. And really good water pressure, really good drain system. I have no leaks or anything. We got running water in the van. And then you'll hear the pump shut off. Ready? really just a nice, easy setup that anyone can build. I knew nothing about plumbing when I tore into this. Just kind of put one piece after another until I had a running functional sink with a drain. Just remember to tighten all your fittings. If they don't have O-rings, make sure you put the tape around them. And I'm serious, anyone can do this. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and we will catch you on the next one.